Riding a motorcycle can be dangerous, and wearing a good quality helmet can save your life in the event of a crash. Here's 5 of the best new motorcycle helmets of 2025. Number 1. The 6D ATS-1R. The 6D ATS-1R is a standout motorcycle helmet for several reasons. Innovative safety technology. It features the omnidirectional suspension (ODS) system, which uses tiny springs between two EPS liners. This design reduces both linear and angular energy transfer to the head, offering superior protection against impacts. Lightweight design. The helmet is constructed with a 3K carbon fiber shell, making it lighter than its predecessor while maintaining durability. Ventilation system. It has an advanced air gap ventilation system with multiple intake and exhaust ports, ensuring excellent airflow for rider comfort. Comfort and fit. The helmet includes a removable neck cuff, chin curtain, and redesigned cheek pads for a customizable and snug fit. It also has integrated speaker pockets for communication systems. Aerodynamics. Its aerodynamic wing design minimizes drag and buffeting, enhancing stability at higher speeds. Certifications. The ATS-1R meets or exceeds multiple safety standards, including DOT, ECE, and FIM certifications. Overall, the 6D ATS-1R combines cutting-edge safety features with comfort and practicality, making it a top choice for riders. Number 2. The AGV K6S. The AGV K6S is an excellent motorcycle helmet for several reasons. Lightweight design. It is one of the lightest full-face road helmets available, weighing just 12.55 grams. This reduces rider fatigue, especially during long rides. Advanced safety features. Constructed with a carbon and aramid fiber shell, it exceeds ECE 22.06 safety standards by 36%. The helmet is designed under AGV's extreme safety protocol, ensuring top-tier protection. Aerodynamics. Its aerodynamic design, fine-tuned in a wind tunnel, minimizes drag and buffeting, providing stability at high speeds. Comfort and ventilation. Premium interiors offer waterproofing, breathability, and moisture-wicking properties. Adjustable forehead and chin vents enhance airflow control, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Wide field of vision. The helmet features AGV's UltraVision technology, providing a 190 degrees horizontal and 85 degrees vertical field of view. This improves visibility and safety. Affordable pricing. Starting at $549.99 for solid colors, it offers a balance of high performance and affordability. The AGV K6S combines MotoGP-inspired technology with practicality for everyday use, making it a versatile choice for riders. Number 3. The Arai Regent X. The Arai Regent X is a fantastic motorcycle helmet for several reasons. Safety and quality. Arai is renowned for its meticulous craftsmanship and high safety standards. The Regent X meets both DOT and SNELL M 2020 certifications, ensuring top-notch protection. Comfortable fit. It features Arai's facial contour system, FCS, which uses articulating pads to provide a snug yet comfortable fit. The helmet is designed for intermediate oval head shapes and includes recessed speaker pockets for added convenience. Ease of use. The Regent X has a flared bottom shell design, making it easier to put on and take off compared to other models. This subtle change enhances everyday usability. Ventilation and noise reduction. The Free Flow System, FFS, improves airflow while reducing wind noise. A chin curtain and rear exhaust vents further contribute to a quieter ride. Premium materials. The helmet shell is made from peripherally belted complex laminate construction, PBCLC, which is lightweight yet strong. The interior padding is plush, sweat-wicking, and antimicrobial, ensuring long-lasting comfort. Visor system. The pinlock-ready visor prevents fogging, and the VAS shield system allows for easy and secure shield changes. The Arai Regent X combines safety, comfort, and practicality, making it a reliable choice for riders. Number 4. The Bell Race Star Flex DLX. The Bell Race Star Flex DLX is an exceptional motorcycle helmet for several reasons. Advanced impact management. It features a unique 3-layer flex liner system made of EPO, EPP, and EPS materials. This design absorbs impacts across low, medium, and high speeds, offering comprehensive protection. Lightweight construction. The helmet is crafted from 3K carbon fiber, making it lightweight while maintaining durability and performance. Enhanced comfort. Magnetic cheek pads and Ionic Plus antimicrobial padding provide a snug fit and help manage sweat and odor during rides. Photochromic shield. The ProTint shield adapts to changing light conditions, ensuring clear vision in both bright sunlight and low-light environments. Aerodynamics and ventilation. Its aerodynamic design minimizes drag, while multiple intake and exhaust vents optimize airflow for rider comfort. Wide field of vision. The Panavision viewport offers an expansive field of view, especially useful in a tucked riding position. Certifications. It meets DOT, SNELL, and ECE safety standards, ensuring reliability and protection. The Bell Race Star Flex DLX combines cutting-edge technology, comfort, and safety, making it a top choice for riders who value performance and practicality. Number 5. The HJC RPHA-1N. The HJC RPHA-1N is an excellent motorcycle helmet, especially for racing enthusiasts, due to the following features. Racing-grade safety. It meets FIM racing homologation standards and ECE 22.06 regulations, ensuring top-tier protection, including resistance to rotational impacts. Lightweight and durable. The shell is made from premium integrated Matrix Plus, PIM Plus, materials, combining carbon and carbon glass hybrid fabric for enhanced shock resistance and reduced weight. Aerodynamics. Designed with input from MotoGP and World SBK athletes, it offers superior aerodynamics, minimizing drag and improving stability at high speeds. Ventilation system. The Advanced Channeling Ventilation System, ACS, includes 5 intake and 4 exhaust vents, providing optimal airflow to keep riders cool and comfortable. Comfortable interior. The Silver Cool liner is moisture-wicking, antibacterial, and quick-drying. It also features emergency release cheek pads for added safety. Enhanced visibility. The HJ35 face shield is anti-scratch, pinlock-ready, and tear-off compatible, ensuring clear vision in various conditions. Convenience features. It includes speaker pockets for Bluetooth systems, a breath deflector, and a chin curtain for added practicality. The HJC RPHA-1N is a race-inspired helmet that combines safety, comfort, and performance, making it a fantastic choice for spirited riders and track enthusiasts. So, which of these helmets is your new favorite? Check the description for links to buy one now. Or maybe we forgot yours on this list. Let us know in the comments. So now you've got a new helmet, but what if you need some protective footwear too? Well, then watch this video next for the 7 best new motorcycle shoes of 2025.